Swiss Army knife. Oh yeah. With T carved into it. It's the first letter of my name. Meow's named after a movie. So right here we got the. If I can get it open with one hand. Oh yeah, I can. Got the knife. These two thingies are saws. Oh, let me just hold on. Okay, so who said that Swiss Army knives barely had anything? Look at this. There's even scissors. Look it. Focus. You dummy. There we go. Look how many things are on. So look how many things are on this. So right here, this is a knife. This is a saw. This is another saw. And these are scissors. Whoa, so magical. They work pretty good. So yeah. These two things are bottle openers. And this is a screwdriver. This is a corkscrew opener thingy. And these things, I have no idea what they are. Focus, dang it. Focus! Stop! Can you just, god dang it. There we go. I have no idea what these things are. Oh my god. Focus. Hello? I have no idea what these three things are. But yeah, there's a Swiss Army knife for you. Swiss Army knife, but there's too much knife. Okay, so put these all back in place. Totally not dangerous at all. Ugh. So many things, so many useful things in a small thing. Yes, that totally made sense. Yeah. Subscribe.